In this video, we will show how to change the diaphragm of the process valve. But first, let's briefly go over the potential causes of leakage. Diaphragm damage, wear out, dust debris inside valve body and on spool. First of all, we need to check the valve for leakages. In order to check for leakages, supply the air pressure in the input port. And apply some thick soap at the joint portion. If bubbles appear, that means there is a leakage from the diaphragm. Now we will see the process to change the diaphragm in this valve. First, we need to remove the coil by removing the nut with the help of a spanner. We will remove these 4 Allen bolts with the help of an Allen key. After that, we remove the top cover. Now take the new diaphragm and assemble it in the proper direction. Now start reassembling the valve. And position the top cover properly. Further, we need to tighten all 4 bolts properly. Now we must assemble the coil properly. Now check the valve again for leakage. By following these steps, you can effectively ensure 2/2 process valve is now ready to be used. Discover the power of SPAC Pneumatic and revolutionize your pneumatic solutions. just drop a hi at our WhatsApp number 012-047-33333 or visit our website spacpneumatic.com for more information.